Hello guys, it's your girl Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. As usual, I'm always super excited to do something for you guys where we can both learn from all the things that I try and do on this space. I'm a mother of two, a teenager and a toddler, and I try to bring to you makeover videos, lifestyle videos, motherhood videos, fashion videos, anything guys that I think can benefit all of us. I try to do on my channel. So I will try as much as I can to link everything that I will be using in this video. And if you are inspired or if you like what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe. I'm always saying guys, subscribe, comment, like, you know, by doing that it will let me know that, you know, I'm being useful and I'm bringing helpful tips to you guys. And most of all, it will let me know that you are watching, you guys, and you are listening. So guys, subscribe, turn on your notification bells, and then you will get to know each time I upload my videos. So without taking any more of your time guys, I will jump into the makeover with you, and hopefully today you will be inspired. It's the downstairs toilet, third and last one in my series. I've got 3 in the house, and this is the smallest one in our downstairs space. So as you can see, it's really small. That was me guys, where I was trying to do something but it didn't quite come out, you guys. So that's why we are here today, to try and rectify that, do something different. I've recently changed the lighting, so as you can see, it's really nice. And we've got a fan over there which I need to paint around a little bit. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing in here guys. As you can see, this is the entryway, this is my passageway right there, and then you enter into this little space. Let me show you the stuff I'm working with guys. So I've got everything here, you know, on my kitchen table. I've got my rug that I'm gonna use. I've got towels, hand towels. I've got like a nice towel shelf here, and I've got some paint and a few bits that I'm gonna use to just, you know, spruce up the walls. And I've got little bits of art over there that I am also going to be using. I'll try and use these guys and see where I get with that. And I've got a really nice round mirror here. Again, that's the one I'm gonna use in this space. So as you can see guys, it's going to be quick and sweet, nice makeover that, you know, you can do in like 2 to 3 hours.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a.
You guys, I've just finished putting all the bonds, shall we say, to this space, and look at it. It looks amazing, you guys. It looks so beautiful. I hope no one is gonna get offended, you guys, with this sign. When I saw it, I just thought, oh, okay, you know, a bit of humor there, you know, when we visit the toilet. Besides, we are being reminded to wash our hands all the time. I mean, considering the situation we are in right now, I mean, you know, you don't want to be a filthy animal, right? You need to wash your hands. And I've just put up this towel rack that I'm going to put in some towels in a moment. And I just thought I should show you what it looks like right now, you guys. There we put on our, you know, hand washing liquid and tissues over there. And the mirror, you guys, it's sitting pretty in the corner there. I mean, perfect size. And I've decided to put this little shelf. These shelves, I got them from B&M, you guys. £5 for both. This one and this one. So you guys, this is looking so beautiful right now before I put in any decorations. So yeah, let's get styling. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed today's session where I was showing you my little tiny weeny toilet that I was procrastinating on making over, but I finally done it. I hope I have motivated you guys to tackle on those little jobs that you've been putting off to doing. So without further ado, I will see you again in my next video, but please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bells so you get notified each time I upload a video. I love you guys, but I have to leave you. Goodbye.